Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Apple Pay is ready. This matters because the app will request a tokenized payment, not raw card data. Once done, open the app and locate the in-app item you want. Make sure the app shows Apple Pay as an option. Next, make sure Face ID or Touch ID and your passcode are enabled. This lets you authenticate quickly and securely. Finally, verify your shipping and billing details in Wallet so the payment process flows without interruption. You tap the Apple Pay button to bring up the payment sheet. This is where you review the card, shipping, and contact info. Double-check these fields because the app uses them automatically. Once satisfied, authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. This step authorizes the tokenized transaction with the bank. After authentication, the device sends a secure token to the app, which then requests authorization from the issuer. Make sure to watch for the on-screen confirmation that payment succeeded. You finish by confirming the purchase result inside the app and via any emailed receipt. Then open Wallet to confirm the transaction and your bank statement to verify the charge. If the payment is declined, check card expiry, CVV, and billing address. Sometimes the issuer needs a verification step. If problems persist, restart the app or device, toggle the selected Apple Pay card, or try a different card. One quick troubleshooting tip: enable notifications so you get immediate alerts for decline.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.